My heart is full with what my eyes are seeing right now. So many handsome and beautiful faces. Everyone dressed perfectly for this event. Legislators with one objective, and that is to become excellent leaders in our community, to become effective legislators, and that is why our assembly is anchored with the theme championing good governance through effective legislative performance.
Should be transparent, we should be accountable, and we are going to participate especially on the basic legislations that our mayor will going to need to acquire those basic things para sa passing sa assessment na to sa SGLG.
Why not make our night tonight, our assembly here in CDO, a very memorable one? Last termers, isa lang po ang may iwan namin sa inyong lahat. Kaming lahat, mong ingon kaninyong tanan, we shall return.